Hi everyone, and welcome to your tool. This is a student room where you will be able to go inside and score and get a second rater for your ECRs for Benchmark 1. All of the grade levels in both languages are in here, and you will get in here. You can see and select your grade level and your language to be able to proceed. I'm just gonna click on the first one, Digging on Dirt for 3rd grade. Everything is already done in the background. As soon as it starts, all you need to do is where it says send a message, is type your student responses, and you will be getting that feedback. Now, if you do have any questions or anything that is coming up really weird, just contact me via Teams or send me an email. Have a great day.